If you have Chase points and feel tempted to burn them at checkout on whatever pops into your cart, just pause for a second. That move is the rewards equivalent of trading a concert ticket for a parking stub. Chase points can be extremely valuable when you redeem them the right way and surprisingly underwhelming when you do not. So in this video, I will give you a beginner-friendly roadmap for getting strong value from your Chase Ultimate Rewards. I will show you what you can do, what you might want to avoid, and several step-by-step examples you can copy without needing a PhD in award charts. Chase points are popular because they work well for beginners and still reward advanced strategies. You can usually convert them to an airline and hotel partner for excellent value, or you can keep things simple with more straightforward redemptions. The secret is picking the right redemption path that matches your goals rather than just choosing the first shiny button on the screen. To keep the math clean for this scenario, I will use 100,000 points under the Chase Sapphire Preferred account, although the same principles apply for the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Chase Inc. Business Preferred. When you redeem 100,000 points for cash, that is the equivalent of $1,000. That works out to exactly 1 cent per point, which is our baseline. There's nothing wrong with taking cash when you need it, since cash is of course universal, but in the Chase ecosystem, however, 1 cent per point is the floor, not the ceiling. If you're consistently at 1 cent per point, you're definitely playing it safe. When you're below that number, like the 0.8 cents per point you get on Amazon, well, I would say that you're losing value. But let's say you're moving closer to 2 cents per point and beyond that, like you'll sometimes get with Chase travel partners, you're getting the kind of value that makes these points worth it. Gift cards inside Ultimate Rewards usually price at 1 cent per point as well. Occasionally, a brand promotion reduces the number of points required and nudges the value a little higher. If you were already planning to spend money with that merchant, that slight improvement can beat cash back by a hair. You can also redeem Chase points for Apple purchases, and these redemptions tend to sit around 1 cent per point most of the time as well. Although, Chase sometimes runs short-term promotions that lift the value for certain cardholders. During a promotion, a device you needed anyway can be a reasonable redemption. Outside of promotion, you are essentially at the cash baseline and potentially leaving travel value on the table. Using Chase points to pay at Amazon or PayPal often gives you 0.8 cents per point, and it feels painless to say I bought it with points, but that convenience comes with a hidden tax on your value. You'd be better off taking simple cash back than accepting that, and you would be dramatically better off saving those points for a strong travel redemption. Unless a rare promotion lifts the value to an honest 1 cent per point or better, the checkout option is a trap you'd best try to avoid. Booking travel through the Chase portal is the easiest way to get great redemption options. Now, due to a recent change to redemptions, the Sapphire Preferred or the Inc. Business Preferred and the Sapphire Reserve points are worth about 1 cent apiece, so 10,000 points would translate to $100 in value no matter which card you have. However, certain reservations flagged as point boosts can stretch the value significantly, giving you between 1.5 and 2 cents per point. The exact boost that you get and how often it's available depends on the specific card that you're using. If a flight costs $250, a Sapphire Preferred user may be able to cover it with 25,000 points or even less with the right points boost redemption. Another perk from booking through the portal is the ability to earn points on book travel. With the Sapphire Reserve, you could earn 8 points per dollar spent on travel bookings purchased through Chase, including flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises, activities, and tours. You should still price check against the airline or hotel directly because an inflated portal cash fare could silently reduce your real value. You should also compare portal pricing against what a transfer partner would charge in points because the partner route often requires far fewer points for the same seat or room. Before we hop to the next segment, if you have gained any helpful tips or tricks to maximize your Chase points from this video, hit that subscribe button below. Chase does not transfer directly to American Airlines, but One World partners such as British Airways do allow you to book American flights using Avios. With the help of an award search calendar or research tool that you prefer, you can spot non-stop flights and then complete the booking through the partner site. It's common to achieve close to 2 cents per point flying from the West Coast to Hawaii, which consistently beats the portal and easily outpaces cash back. When you run the math, Be sure to subtract award taxes and fees from the cash price first, so you are comparing savings to points used on an apples to apples basis. If you share a household with a spouse, family member, or roommate, Chase allows you to combine ultimate rewards balances, which could turn 2 welcome bonuses into a larger focused pot. Pooling points lets you target big ticket awards such as 5-night Hyatt resort stays, a pair of business class seats to Europe, or a premium itinerary that may be difficult to book solo. The more points, the better the rewards. The strategy works best when you stagger applications to hit spending requirements comfortably. Aim both earners at the same near-term loyalty goal and time transfers around partner bonuses so your pool balances stretch much further. There are a few missteps that could quietly erode your value, such as transferring points before confirming availability, which risk moving points to a program with nothing to book. Remember, all point transactions to partners are final, whether usable or not. Ignoring taxes and fees can also create misleading cents per point math and can make an award look better than it really is. Hoarding can leave you exposed to point devaluations and changes in rules as well. Chasing the absolute highest number on a spreadsheet at the expense of sleep, sanity, and sensible connections is another way to turn a great deal into a bad trip. If a slightly lower value gets you a non-stop flight, an earlier arrival at the beach, that is usually the better choice. The most reliable approach is easy to follow. Start by deciding the goal for your points, whether it be a hotel-focused trip, a business class flight for a milestone vacation, or an economy getaway with the family. Check the price inside the Chase portal so you know you're guaranteed uplift, search transfer partners for the same itinerary, and confirm that award space actually exists. Look for transfer bonuses and time your trip if your dates are flexible. Transfer only after you have proof of availability. Complete the booking and then celebrate with something fizzy while you imagine what else those savings can fund. If this guide helped you stop devaluing your points and start thinking like a pro, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post practical step-by-step strategies that turn points into real trips without gatekeeping or fluff. Thanks for watching, and may your next vacation involve beachfront Hyatt or lie flat seats paid for with your points rather than your wallet.